In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update YouTube on Firefox. This process isn't about updating YouTube directly, since it is a website, not an app or extension. Instead, the key to accessing the latest features and fixes is updating Firefox itself. YouTube strongly recommends using the latest version of your browser. This ensures you have the best experience possible while using the site. Now let's get started with the update process. First, open Firefox. You will see the familiar Firefox interface with the address bar at the top. If you are using a Windows PC, you can simply click on the Firefox icon on your desktop or taskbar. If you are on a Mac, look for the Firefox icon in your dock. This step is crucial because you need to be in the browser to initiate the update. So, ensure that Firefox is running and ready for the next steps. Next, click the menu button located in the top right corner, which looks like three horizontal lines. When you click this button, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to various features and settings of the browser, including helpful options for managing your experience. Once the menu opens, locate the Help option. This is typically found towards the bottom of the drop-down. After selecting Help, click on About Firefox. This action will open a new window. Here you will see information about your current version of Firefox. More importantly, the browser will automatically check for updates. This process is essential because it ensures you are aware of and have access to the latest improvements. If updates are available, Firefox will download them for you, making this a seamless experience. Once the update is downloaded, you will see a prompt to click Restart to update Firefox. Clicking this button initiates the update process. Your browser will close and reopen automatically. This step is vital as it applies the updates and ensures that you are using the most secure and efficient version of Firefox. You should see a brief loading screen during this time. Now, if YouTube is still not functioning correctly after updating Firefox, there are additional troubleshooting steps you can take. Sometimes, even after an update, issues can persist due to caching problems or extensions. One effective method is to press Ctrl, Shift, and R simultaneously. This action reloads YouTube while bypassing the cache. This step is beneficial because it ensures that you are viewing the most current version of the site without any stored data interfering. Next up, consider clearing YouTube's cookies and site data. This step can often resolve issues related to loading or playback. To do this, go to the Firefox menu, then select Options. From there, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Look for the Cookies and Site Data area, where you can clear data specific to YouTube. This helps refresh your browsing experience and can eliminate any corrupted data causing issues. Finally, if problems persist, try disabling extensions temporarily. Extensions can sometimes conflict with websites, causing unexpected behavior. To do this, return to the menu and select Add-ons. Here, you can manage your installed extensions, disable them one by one to see if any are causing the problem. This step is crucial because it allows you to pinpoint the source of the issue effectively. By following these steps, you will ensure your YouTube experience on Firefox is smooth and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.